Check the electrolyte level daily and top up the reference electrolyte if necessary. Fill it up to the opening with the corresponding electrolyte. This ensures proper electrolyte flow and reduces contamination of the electrolyte. Additionally, the electrolyte should be replaced at least once per month. The water in the electrolyte can evaporate, causing a change in concentration, or the electrolyte could become contaminated. Such electrolytes will give incorrect results. In this case, drain the old electrolyte or remove it carefully with a pipette. Rinse the electrode twice with the new electrolyte. Fill the electrode with the new electrolyte and leave it overnight to allow the system to equilibrate. The same procedure can be used when you need to switch between electrolytes, for example, for the solvotrode, when changing from lithium chloride to TeAbr. Now you know.